Today's battle is between Shotgun Sanic and Boss Dodo. Let's get into this. So, Shotgun Sanic's weapon. Shotgun Sanic has a double-barreled shotgun. Wait. Just wait. Yeah, okay. So, Shotgun Sanic has a double-barrel shotgun. Well, how about Boss Dodo? Boss Dodo's weapons is his talons, wings, beak, bite, and most importantly, his giant spear. Size. Boss Dodo weighs over a ton and is 20 feet tall. And yes, that's in my own OC, okay. And can fly. Yes, this bitch could fly. Shotgun Sanic. I just found this GIF on the internet, so I thought I'd use it. So yeah. Shotgun Sanic, 6 feet tall and weighs 200 pounds. So, fight. Boss Dodo is walking around with his giant spear, guarding his stuff. Then out of nowhere, Shotgun Santa comes over and wants to steal his gold. But he just runs under his legs and just runs. The Boss Dodo, even though he's heavy, he runs pretty fast, 30 miles per hour. He uses his spear as a fucking javelin, javelin, and frickin' yeets himself towards Shotgun Sanic. Sanic looks and he sees this giant 1-ton bird about to crush him, so he jumps out of the way. The Boss Dodo squawks loudly, supersonic squawk, and it sends Sanic it sends Sanic far, far away. And now the palace, but Sonic holds on to a piece of cobalt, into a piece of mosaic art. Yeah, the Dodo can do mosaic art. Oh yeah, Shotgun Sanic loads his buckshots and shoots the Boss Dodo right in the neck. The Boss Dodo squawks in pain, but then flies over and jabs his spear and swings it around. Boss Sanic can't defeat the shit, so he just runs away. He lives to fight another. Oh god. Yeah, Boss Dodo just sniped him with a spear. Yeah. Verdict. I think Boss Dodo would win around 97% of the time. Shotgun Sanic is just Sonic with a freaking shotgun. And it's Sanic, so he's fast, but not as fast. Boss Dodo is just too OP. But who do you think would win this fight? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.